What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. We're looking at a 2012 red Yamaha Stryker. Yamaha is one of my favorite import dealers here in the United States. They're just great metric bikes. Not saying that Honda, Kawasaki, and all them aren't good, but in my opinion, Yamaha is a very well made bike. The Stryker is a 1300cc motor with a 5-speed transmission. It's got mag wheels on the front and back. There's that front tire, so you can kind of take a look at it, along with the front fender. Got a beautiful red flake in the paint. Let me just get out of the sunlight, you can kind of see it there. It does have a aftermarket air intake, Cobra I believe, with aftermarket exhaust system. 2-in-2 Cobra setup / cut. There's the C in Cobra if you can see that. It does already have a quick release sissy bar for the passenger. It's belt driven. I'll show you the rear tire. There's the rear tire. The seat's in very good condition, no rips or tears, along with the passenger backrest. Relatively low miles, I believe. 4,345 miles. They all come with a battery tender installed on all of our motorcycles. It is part of the V-Star family. See what she sounds like. That Cobra exhaust system sounds really good. Nice rumble to it. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So they've had their multi-point inspection, test rode at least 15 miles, and has had a professional detail. So it's ready to go on the front lot. Give me another look around this side. If you have any questions concerning this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team toll free at 817-985-8888. Or you can get on our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com and take a full look at our inventory. We do have great financing options along with extended warranty plans. We sell and ship bikes all over the world and take virtually anything in on trade. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Let us see what we can do about getting you in the wind on this beautiful 2012 Yamaha Stryker. This is Ian with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. The freedom to choose.